Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're in Boracay.
Beachfront of Boracay.
Beachfront of Boracay, guys. We're gonna have breakfast first. So on that side, we have Ed, Diane, Rose, Tim. So we are in.
Hello everyone, it's time.
We are in front of the beach for now. So we're gonna explore Boracay the whole day, and we'll check it out. What is be like being in Boracay? Okay. Stop.
Yung ano, sabi na kuya, yung island tour, al-anim yung mapuntahan nating island. Free lang. 600 per person. Kaya lang, ang dami natin sa boat 40 tayo. Yung capacity na yung boat.
Private. Island happy private. Kasi ano ng
Yan yung maliit lang.
Yung pang malaki.
I'll do some more pictures mainly versus video.
Welcome to Bora Bora, Bora Bora.
Not right now.
Oh my God, Ed, it's beautiful here. Look at that water there.
Hello.
It's okay, Kuya.
Popping by. Don't have to say nothing to them, just keep going. Just say hello. Try to stay polite.
Oo.
Parang pulburon.
Oh my God. Kakalapag lang namin kagabi galing sa Iloilo Port. Parang pulburon. Sabi ko, hi, shout out.
Sa Iloilo din, parang pulburon ganito?
Dito, sa pagbaba, sa Katiklan. Oh my God, ang ganda. Dayan, my God.
Ang ganda ng Boracay.
Welcome to my vlog, girl. Ang
Hello
ganda.
vlogs!
Hello, vlogs. Ang ganda ng Bora, guys.
Ang ganda ng tubig. Tsaka yung buhangin sis talagang grabe, parang pulburon. Gusto kong kainin. Parang pulburon.
Hi, Tiday! Hala, te, ang ganda ng sun.
I know,
Ang linaw.
ang Pilipino niya. Sarap sa balat. Malamig ba?
Plastic, Masarap niya, sister, masarap yung tubig. Okay, welcome to Boracay, guys. I'm with my gang friends.
Hi vlogs!
How much for that ride?
Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys.
How much for that ride?
Pamangkin ko eh. Hi vlog! Hello vlog!
Ay, isang oras? Hindi pwede isang kaming lahat, 600 kaming lahat?
Ayoko yan. Ikaw!
Ayoko rin.
Ganda yan, pa-picture lang ba? Hindi pwede pa-picture na lang? Hindi 600? Okay lang?
Pa-picture kami, kuya.
picture kayo ma'am.
Picture lang?
Hindi ako marunong.
Bayad lang kami pero hindi 600, picture lang.
Sige po ma'am.
Nang.
Thank you,
Ikaw,
kuya.
go first. You stand.
Dito ka ma'am.
Dapat may salbabida.
Go! Hindi naman yan, na ano. O, yan.
Oh my God.
Upo ko ma'am.
Upo?
Upo ko muna.
Okay, and then you stand up.
Ganon?
Opo. Ready? Tapos ito ma'am, iganon mo. Tapos nakaganyan ka ma'am. Yan.
Yan! Super nice!
Alisin mo to, Je.
Yan.
Let me check this out.
Nice. Dan, tayo ka.
Dapa ka muna, ma'am.
Dapa. Just go that way. Just go that way. Okay, dapa ka. Yan, nga.
Huwag kang kikilos na masama. Usog pa doon, ma'am.
Usog. Ay, wag mo kilain. Bukod ka dito. Naka-video to, ha? Meron.
Tapos ganyan, ma'am, oh.
Yan, super nice. Hello, Kitty.
Hindi. Parang itaas-taas mo.
Sige.
Yan. Tapos itaas mo yung isang paa, ma'am, doon sa kabila.
Yan. Hala, ang ganda mo naman, kuya. Choreographer ka, kuya, ha? Sige. Dan, Ate Rose.
A little fish was there.
Ayaw ka, ma'am. Go.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like our videos today. This is how Boracay looks like. It's really nice. The sand is really fine. And it's worth coming here. Thank you. Bye-bye. Shout out Richard, our videographer for today. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you Richard for doing all the filming today. He's a very nice guy. Thank you for watching and thank you for helping us.
Everybody had a good time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.